Hello my dear few followers. This time I've started to restore used Tamiya TGS-R chassis. R means racing. It has some option over the non-R release, which are quite small. Full bearings, and what is lacking here, Tamiya FS12 SW engine. It exists in two editions, the SW and the Double Ace. What are the differences between them? The carburetor. That's the only parts you need to change to transform your standard Double Ace to a nicer SW engine. And I tried to find one for this little car, and I did on eBay, but it was quite dirty, and when I opened it, I had a lot of difficulties. First of all, the heatsink was damaged. Yes, not that much, but it was heavily corroded. Only two screws survived. Externally, you see it's quite corroded. Surprisingly, bearings are still good, and you can see on the mark on the body, Tamiya FS12S. I will save it, I'm sure. About the cylinder, dirty, but no scratch, no dangerous mark of use. The piston is quite clean. I haven't cleaned it yet, as you can see. But the clutch are quite marked. I don't know how was used previously these motors, but it was lightly used, but they are deep mark of use. As I have replaced and put new plastic gears in the chassis, I will replace the clutch. That's the best I have to do if I don't want to destroy the gears quickly. When I dismantled the clutch, I found the last bearing, the small one that goes at the hood side, broken. So it might have a big shock, maybe during transport or not. The flywheel is quite dirty. I have get another one, but I will take a look if I can keep it. The carburetors also corroded externally, and yes, you can see the mark on the paper. It's quite dirty inside. Previous owner didn't clean it, so I will have to use a knife and sandpaper. And so goes for the external plate. For the moment I have not found if they were newer heatsink. I found that the heatsinks that were used on the VR14S was about to be compatible. I have also found the larger air filter, the 32mm announced air cleaner. It would be nice for it. About the recoil starter. At first I look on the Chinese low cost that you can get for a few bucks, but it is too small. The case is too small, and the bearing, the one-to-one bearing, is too small. Yes, well, that's a bigger problem. And this part is a dust cover for the carburetor shaft, command shaft, and it have aged and died. So we will have to replace it or replace completely the carburetor. I will try to restore it, and I will show you the results soon, I hope. Bye bye.